cool. I tell you what I was gonna do. Hey guys, it's me, Timmy. Have you ever wanted to make your own puppets? I have, and it's real easy. There's a new channel called the TimmyTube network, and they make all kinds of puppets. Now, this channel is for adults, but it is kid-friendly. And if kids want to make their own puppets, they're going to need an adult to help them with the hot glue and the X-Acto knife and stuff. But it's family-friendly, so anybody can watch the videos and learn how to make puppets. It is really cool. But anyway, there's a link down there to go to the puppet making playlist so you can learn how to make your own puppet. It is cool, real cool. Puppet, 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 I like to make puppets. Yeah, look at those over there. They were made on the TimmyTube network. Isn't that cool? There's a green frog looking one that's hairy, and there's a pink googly-eyed puppet that was made over there. It's really cool. So you guys should check it out now in the link down there. Bye, Timmy Uppet. Timmy Uppet is a puppet like them over there. Yeah, TimmyTube network. Bye.
Yeah, that's right.